This video is not intended to inspire any conflicts. It is provided solely for informational purposes, including all content and images. Is the conflict between China and Philippines possible? Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth military analyses. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Made by at DevData Planet YouTube channel. 2025. Introduction. The primary source of tension between China and the Philippines is the territorial dispute in the South China Sea, where China claims nearly 90% of the waterway under its 9-dash line, overlapping with the Philippines' exclusive economic zone, EEZ. This includes features like the Second Thomas Shoal, Ayungin Shoal, Scarborough Shoal, and Spratly Islands. As of September 10, 2025, incidents involve Chinese Coast Guard CCG vessels ramming Philippine ships using water cannons and blocking resupplies, leading to injuries but no fatalities yet. Broader context includes China's militarization of artificial islands, e.g., Mischief Reef, and the Philippines strengthening alliances with the U.S., Japan, and others through joint patrols and defense pacts. Recent events, such as a CCG vessel colliding with a Philippine ship in August 2025, highlight ongoing risks. Factors reducing risks 1-1. Deterrence and alliances. The U.S. treaty acts as a strong deterrent. Experts note higher U.S. intervention likelihood here than in Taiwan. Joint patrols with the U.S., Japan, and others, e.g. India in 2025, signal collective resistance. Philippine Defense Secretary Gilberto Teodoro dismissed imminent war fears in July 2025, citing no horizon for conflict. 2. Economic and strategic constraints. China avoids full war to prevent sanctions and economic fallout, preferring coercion below war thresholds. The SCS's trade value makes disruption costly for Beijing. The Philippines lacks capacity for offensive action, focusing on defense. War gains little for China beyond symbolic wins. Factors reducing risks 2-3. Diplomatic efforts. Both sides engage in talks. China calls patrols under control, while the Philippines pursues arbitration. ASEAN mediation and U.S. diplomacy aim to de-escalate. Analysts predict heated but not seething tensions in 2025, with no full war due to uncertainty under Trump. 4. Internal limitations. China's military is untested in major conflicts since 1979. Gray zone tactics allow gains without war. The Philippines prioritizes internal stability, like Bangsamoro elections in 2025. Factors increasing risks 1-1. Chinese aggression and gray zone tactics. China has deployed CCG and maritime militia vessels to harass Philippine operations, including laser attacks, ramming, and water cannon use, which have caused damage and injuries. In August 2025, a Chinese destroyer shadowed Philippine vessels, and public opinion in China has pushed for PLA Navy involvement. Beijing views Philippine actions as U.S. proxied provocations, warning Manila against playing with fire over Taiwan-related remarks. Chinese spokespersons accuse the Philippines of undermining regional stability through joint patrols. 2. Philippine resistance and alliances. Under Marcos, the Philippines has publicized incidents, deployed new missile systems, and activated bases near Taiwan, e.g., 200 kilometers away. Marcos stated in August 2025 that the Philippines would be pulled into any Taiwan conflict due to geography and U.S. bases. The U.S.-Philippines Mutual Defense Treaty, 1951, obligates Washington to defend Manila if attacked, raising escalation risks. Joint exercises like Balikatan and U.S. access to 9 Philippine bases amplify this. Factors increasing risks 2-3. Miscalculation and flashpoints. Incidents at Second Thomas Shoal could lead to casualties, forcing responses. Analysts warn of a war footing if ships sink. China's buildup around Philippine EEZ features, e.g. 17 CCG and 31 militia vessels in August 2025, signals potential for blockade or seizure. Broader linkages, tensions tie into Taiwan, where Marcos signaled involvement, and China's warnings link SCS to regional stability. 4. Domestic and regional pressures. In China, nationalist sentiment pushes for decisive action, with social media discussing PLA operations to remove Philippine assets like the Sierra Madre. Xi Jinping's emphasis on worst-case scenarios heightens readiness. Regionally, disputes involve Vietnam, Malaysia, and Indonesia, but the Philippines is the most vocal, potentially drawing in Japan, reliant on SCS routes. Strategic analysis. Likelihood of military conflict in 2025. Moderate risk of limited incidents. Gray zone escalations, e.g. ramming blockades, are likely to continue, with a moderate chance of miscalculation causing localized clashes. Flashpoints like Second Thomas Shoal remain hot, but no evidence of imminent invasion. Low probability of full-scale war. Experts assess war as remote and not imminent, with China favoring coercion over invasion. U.S. involvement deters Beijing, and economic risks outweigh benefits. Social media hype, e.g. PLA operations, reflects rhetoric, not plans. Geopolitical wildcards. A Taiwan crisis could spill over, as Marcos linked the two. Trump's policies add uncertainty, but focus on trade may deprioritize SCS. Chinese perspectives emphasize Philippine provocations and U.S. interference, viewing actions as self-defense. Philippine views see China as the aggressor, backed by international law. Neutral analysts highlight mutual risks but low war odds. Conclusion. As of September 10, 2025, conflict between China and the Philippines is possible but unlikely to escalate to full-scale war in 2025. Gray zone tactics will persist, raising miscalculation risks, but deterrence, economics, and diplomacy keep tensions below war thresholds. China's strategy avoids direct confrontation, while the Philippines relies on alliances for defense. If escalations occur, e.g., casualties at shoals, U.S. involvement could broaden the conflict, but current dynamics suggest managed rivalry. Vigilance is needed, as linkages to Taiwan heighten stakes. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth military analyses. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Made by @DevDataPlanet YouTube channel 2025.